Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration section. And if your ringtone muted by this way here on your volume panel, just you have to swipe this blue dot to the right side, and you will by this way enable unmute your ringtone. But if you got the your muted ringtone by the second way, for example here on your phone ringtone you just have no set sound, just switch the none to the one from the ringtones and then just tap here to OK. That's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.